Hey guys, so when it comes to reselling items on Amazon, you have various ways to find products, from buy lists to software subscriptions and even personal shoppers. So why on earth would you do all the hard work yourself? In this video, I will try and explain when you should do what. Other than that, I hope you'll enjoy this video, and if you do, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. When you watch YouTube videos, a lot of these people make it seem very easy to be successful selling on Amazon. You simply open a seller account, subscribe to a buy list or software subscription, and just flip products to your heart's content. This is basically the standard message I get from most videos that are out there. They often neglect to mention that most leads on these buy lists have incredibly high BSRs, have items on there which you cannot sell, or they advertise with a minimum ROI of 30%, which basically means that even with all the luck in the world, you would only make $1 or $2 profit. And yes, we offer a leads list ourselves, but we do not advertise with a lot of hype. We use margin instead of ROI, and even offer a free option so people can try before they buy. And I can tell you, most don't do this. Anyway, to get back on point, another thing people tend to flock to is subscribing to a software service. From a technical point of view, there is nothing wrong with using software to do your sourcing. However, it's only a small portion of things you need to do and check before you purchase an item for resale on Amazon. And in some cases, it has a pretty big learning curve and will take you quite some time to set up properly. And even when you do manage to set it up, you will most likely get the same leads 1,000 other people find as well. The biggest downside on the buy list as well as software, however, is the fact that they both are recurring costs. Now, depending on how much capital you have to spend on stock, these costs can destroy your profits. We have another video explaining this in a lot more detail, but the big takeaway is that if you have a total capital of, say, less than $3,000, you need to stay away from or reduce recurring costs to a minimum. Because if you don't, it doesn't matter how well you sell, you will still lose money. I know there are people out there who put these recurring costs down as a cost of doing business, or simply say that you need to view it as an investment. But I disagree with them. Simply because with investments, you get some value in return, which in turn exceed the costs. With low capital and a recurring payment of, say, $100 each month, you will simply lose money, even if you get great leads. On top of that, you won't learn anything in particular, making it just about the dumbest thing you can do. At least when you're low on capital. Because if you're a 5 or 6-figure seller, for instance, these recurring costs won't hurt your profit one bit. And in a way, your time will be much more valuable than most recurring payments you will have to make in order to keep things going. For most people who sell on Amazon, however, I would argue that they are not rich and therefore are better off searching for deals by hand and slowly build out their business. which then leads to the question whether you should pay for a course or if you should just start selling on Amazon and learn from your mistakes. Now, a lot of people out there would argue that selling on Amazon doesn't require any study because it's so simple and that the information is readily available online somewhere, someplace. Yet, these same people often have attended college, chasing a degree where they spend hundreds of thousands of dollars of money they don't have on knowledge you can access if you can afford a library card. But the best argument for investing in knowledge is the simple fact that the vast majority of people who start on Amazon fail. Now, I don't know the exact figure, but if memory serves me right, it's about 90% of people who start on Amazon who fail. Now, to me, this doesn't look like a success rate of something that is easy. So, although I understand that spending, say, $1,000 on a course on any subject is a lot of money, I can tell you that the average household spends about $3,000 a year on entertainment products, yet only about $140 on books. So the way I look at it is that the majority of people are poor and uneducated, and only the few who have healthy finances, are educated, and thrive. If you ask me, this has far less to do with money and a lot more with behavior and mindset. Anyway, the main thing you should take from this is that you need to be willing to do the work, and that when you spend your money, you should do so with the expectation that you either get more money back than you put in or gain knowledge. In case of selling on Amazon, the easy way simply doesn't get you any results, which is why we teach our students the hard and also most cost-effective way so they can scale faster and more responsible than the majority of people out there. And if at some point they become 5 or 6-figure sellers, then and only then would we advise them to outsource their labor and engage in recurring payments for software, buy lists, or virtual assistants, because by then their time will be worth more than their money. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you would like our help in building your Amazon business, then please have a look at the links in the description down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you want to get notified of new videos. Again, thank you for watching and see you next time.